Oh, baby, it's happening. A Bitcoin warning signal blares from surging interest in Shiba Inu. This is CoinDesk. Guys, CoinDesk, one of the largest platforms out there, all of a sudden talking about Shiba Inu again. This is a jam-packed video, a ton of stuff to get into in terms of what we're seeing out there on the open market, and the open interest right now is skyrocketing for Shib, and it's huge because obviously we have Shibarium. This is going to legitimize the ecosystem. More and more big-time investors, I think, are getting interested in Shib, and we're going to talk all about that in this video, so make sure you guys stick around until the end. Right now, though, I need you to do two things. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already, and no matter what, hammer that like button for us because we are gearing up for a huge, huge moment in history for Shib. Now, I mentioned open interest for or the dollar amount locked in open Shib futures contracts has topped 100 million for the first time since February. Last time we saw this happen, Shib's price mooned all the way to the 4015 level. That is why it's been an important price target for me, where I think we could be heading back to in the short term. Now, investors are again pouring money into Shib right now, and this is a sign of caution for Bitcoin traders. Open interest in Binance's Shib futures has more than doubled to 101 million this month, hitting the highest since February 5th. Shib futures are seized at 1,000 Shib per contract with up to 25 times leverage. Shib's market value has jumped nearly 32% to $6.5 billion, and amid optimism that the layer 2 scaling solution Shibarium is right around the corner. Now, talking about this open interest, alongside a rise in market cap suggesting huge influx of money coming into Shib right now, this scenario has historically presaged weakness in Bitcoin. So, what does this mean? This is actually what we want to see if we love altcoins, guys. What's crazy is right now, Bitcoin dominance just crushing it, crushing altcoins all year long. But this right here could be the start of some money starting to come back into altcoins. And it could be all started by Shiba Inu. Shib's open interest has risen above the $100 million mark at least 7 times since it was created back in August 2020. The previous 6 spikes mark local Bitcoin price tops, meaning we could see Bitcoin dial back during these times and meme coins and altcoins gain some more traction and gain some market dominance. Get some of that share back from Bitcoin, which I think is good if you're an altcoin investor, right? Obviously, you guys know how I feel about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I buy a little bit every single day. I've been doing that since April 2020, well over a year now. That doesn't change. I love Bitcoin. And long-term, Bitcoin's, in my opinion, fantastic investment. But right now, I want to see some of that money surface back into Shib. I want to see some of that money surface back into the Cardanos, the Ethereums, of course, the XRPs, the Polygons, the Cardano, the Crow coins, all of these, the Hederas, the Algorands. Now, this pattern is consistent with traditional markets in meme stocks relative to defensive plays are seen as a contrary indicator to the broader market, meaning Bitcoin should dial back. Now, past performance is not a guarantee, obviously, for future results, but let me take you inside the chart and talk about what Shib's doing. This is the daily candlesticks right now, and we got the signal momentum up back in late July. This was a huge possibility to get in here at 5077 because this is what we've seen. As soon as that indicator flashed, we have just seen huge surge in price action. Right now, I think we're seeing what we saw back here in early August. A little bit of a cooling down period before we take the next leg up. Of course, this weekend's going to be massive. We'll be keeping all eyes on Shibarium. I'll be out there in Toronto. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. We'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you think down below. See ya.